Catalyst. It is an interesting aspect of chemistry that there are certain reactions which do not proceed to completion even when it is carried out for an infinite period of time. But interesting part is that they are completed within a few minutes with the addition of small foreign substances. These substances which accelerate the reaction are known as catalysts. Because of this property, it is important to study this topic in detail, particularly for many industrial processes. Autocatalyst. In certain reactions, one of the product act as a catalyst. For example, oxidation of oxalic acid by acidified potassium permanganate becomes much more rapid due to the presence of manganese to oxidation state 2 ions which are formed in the reaction. This type of reaction in which one of the product itself act as a catalyst is known as autocatalyst. Now, introduction. There are certain reactions which do not proceed to completion even when carried out for an indefinite period of time. These reactions get completed very soon when small quantity of foreign substances is added. This was first noted by Berzelius in 1836. He realized that there are substances which increases the rate of reaction without themselves being consumed or taking part in the reaction. These substances are called as catalysts. A catalyst is defined as a substance which increases the rate of chemical reaction without undergoing any change and can be recovered as such at the completion of the reaction. The phenomenon of the increase in the rate of reaction with the help of catalyst is known as catalysis. Usually, a catalyst accelerates a reaction which was formerly thought by Berzelius, but in number of cases now it has been seen there are some catalysts which retards the process of reaction. Thus, catalyst is now can be defined in a new way. The catalyst is a substance that alters the rate of chemical reaction without itself being changed chemically at the end of the reaction, and this process is called catalysis. Now it is evident from the above definition, catalyst may increase or decrease the rate of chemical reaction. A catalyst which increases the rate of reaction is called positive catalyst, and the process positive catalysis or simply catalysis. A catalyst which retards the rate of reaction is called negative catalyst, and the process is known as negative catalysis. The decomposition of potassium chloride takes place much more rapidly at a much lower temperature if a little of manganese dioxide is added to it. Manganese dioxide is not used up at all and it can be recovered unchanged. The combination of hydrogen and oxygen to form water, which is slow at ordinary temperature, proceeds more rapidly in the presence of platinum. While studying chemical kinetics, you have studied that catalyst is added a new reaction pathway with a lower energy barrier which is provided. Now we can see the function of catalyst in the following figure. Now here we can see that the reactants are here and products are formed. Whenever the reaction proceeds, the reactants have to achieve a certain amount, or it has to pass an energy barrier for the reaction to complete and form product. This energy required to convert reactants into product is known as activation energy, and each reaction has a minimum energy which is known as threshold energy. So here it is shown the reactants, they have to cross the energy barrier to change into product. Since the barrier is reduced in magnitude, a large number of molecules of the reaction get over it. Thus this increases the rate of reaction. In this case, the catalyst does not alter the position of the equilibrium in a reversible reaction, but it simply hastens the approach of the equilibrium by speeding up both the forward and backward reaction.